Hi, today I've got a gear review video for you. So the Deerfamy company reached out to me to see if I wanted to review. So this is a camping Loveseat, but it's heated. So I thought this would be a really fantastic product for fall camping, winter, kids sporting events, sitting around the campfire. So I was really interested to review this. I'm gonna show you what it's like. I'm gonna put the batteries to the test and show you all the different features here. Right off the bat, you can see that this is not much bigger from your regular kind of folding camp chair. It certainly is a little bit wider, but at least from a side profile, it's not that much bigger to bring along with you. All right, so a few things that I see right away. The bag is certainly very nice and sturdy. It's got like a liner on the inside, so it looks like it's gonna be very durable. Another thing I really like is I always have such trouble getting these folding chairs back in the bag. This is really cool. It's got this clip here to help you compact the chair, so it's gonna go back in the bag easier. So I'm gonna undo this. So the clip that helps you make it small is attached to the back of the chair, which I love because things like this are so easy to get lost. And the fact that this is sewn on here, you're never gonna lose this. So that's a really great feature. So just off the bat, you can kind of see that this is really nice and spacious. I don't have this quite stretched out all the way, but you can see there's a seat here. Then you've got kind of this little bonus section, great for keeping things. Maybe you're gonna keep a camp blanket here, or maybe your Kindle or something else with you. Maybe a little grandchild's gonna sit here, or a little kid. And you've got another seat as well. So this is a double camping Loveseat, and this holds up to 529 pounds. So this is gonna comfortably hold 2 adults, possibly even 2 adults and a small child there in the middle. So this you can kind of see this. So this has a curved design here. So you're kind of going to be a little bit closer to the person you're sitting next to. It's a little bit less of a straight Loveseat. It just has that slight curve to it. So the material of the chair is this Oxford fabric. It's super, super durable. Seems like it's gonna repel stains, and it's pretty thick. This is a little wrinkled because I just took it out of the package for the first time. And then you've got a lot of good storage. This is gonna be nice for cell phones, things like that, maybe some snacks, some instructions it came with. And then you also have that pouch on the other side. So a couple things I really like about this is you can have your 2 adults sitting here, and then in this middle section, you can pile your blankets here if you wanna stay warm. Lots of great storage. So like in here, I've got my gloves. If I'm sitting out at a sporting event or something, watching the kids play, and I know it's gonna get colder later, well, I can just stash my gloves in there. Great to keep things like bug spray, or if you're out, sunscreen, that type of thing if you're out in the sun. The other thing that's really great is these are big cup holders. So this is my Stanley hot beverage thermos thing here. And this fits with room to spare in the cup holder. And then over here, my kids like to use this Big Eagles reusable water bottle here. And this also fits, so a very generous sized cup holder. You have more storage here. And then I like these side pockets for things like my cell phone. So that holds that really nicely. Got a good little cell phone pocket, or for keys. So I think that Deerfamy's really thought of a lot of nice, thoughtful details. Okay, so let's talk about the heat here. So what's really cool about this Deerfamy heated camp Loveseat is that this has independent control. So I don't know if you guys can see this here, but this is saying that this is for the back of the chair, and then this is for the cushion. So each person controls their own temperature control. All right, so this is the battery pack here for the entire chair. And you can see it's got a few different ways. It's got the power button, and then how you can charge it here. Okay, so I've taken the little battery pack and I have it charging right now. This is just our charging station we use for all our family's devices. And it just fit right with that cord. And you can see the little lights are blinking to show you that it's charging. And then when this is fully charged, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna put it in the chair and show you how it works. And we're gonna test to see if this battery really does what it's supposed to do. All right, so this little battery pack is charged. So this is just gonna go right in here. And we're going to plug this in. So when you have them on, it's got this little, they light up here, they glow so you can see. So right now I have on the backs of both chairs. And then I also have on the cushion, the seat area. Okay, so I have these turned on. I have all four and I have them turned on high. So it is 5:33 right now. Let's see how long the battery lasts with all four turned on high. All right, so these are on high and it is now 6:30. So this has been going for an hour. They're still in the high setting. It's still really, really warm when you sit on these. All right, so about every hour or so, I'm just feeling the back of the chair and the seat of the chair. All four of the heating elements are still hot. It's still going in that high mode. And we are at 7:23. So I turned this on around 5:33. So we are just about at the 2-hour mark and it's still going strong. So this is still going here and it is 8:11. Okay, so the lights just went off. It is 8:35. So we started this at 5:33 and it went till 8:35. So I think that's a really, really good amount of time to have this on the high power. And we had this on high power on both the back and the seat of both the chairs. So, I mean, if you were at a sporting event, if you were sitting around the campfire, that type of thing, 3 hours would definitely get you through. And then on the medium and the lower settings, you could get even more amount of time. So this is how we've been using this. So we've been sitting around the fire pit now that it's getting cool in the evenings. And we've been using the Deerfamy chair with the built-in heater to give us a little bit of extra warmth. All right, so final thoughts here. So I'm sitting in this chair, this Loveseat. It is really, really comfortable. I think it seems durable. The battery pack is really easy to just unhook and charge and put back in. Nothing complicated there. The battery lasted the amount of time that it was supposed to last on high. And I mean, high was really, really high. You're probably not even going to want to use that high setting unless you're in really, really cold conditions. But I think this is a really great idea. I know so many parents that sit out in the freezing cold, especially this time of year, this autumn season, with like soccer events and that type of thing, and you're just freezing your butt off on the sidelines. So this would be a really great product for people who are sitting out at sporting events and you want another way to stay a little bit warm. I do like to add a gear review video to the channel, maybe like once a month. So I hope you enjoy seeing these. I always find it helpful for me, seeing what gear other people are using, what they're using it for. So I hope this Deerfamy Loveseat might be something that's interesting to you. It's just another nice way to stay warm and enjoy the outdoors with a little bit of modern comfort. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think of this heated Loveseat and have a great day.